Welcome to the Daily Eco. Today we're exploring a nutritious and delicious fruit, pumpkin. We'll cover its nutritional properties, calorie content, health benefits, how to eat it, and important precautions. Pumpkin properties. Pumpkin is rich in carotenoids, which gives it its characteristic orange color, and vitamins such as A, E, B1, and B6. It's also very low in calories, with only 26 per 100 grams. Because of this, pumpkin has the following properties: immune boosting, antioxidant, macular protective, heart protective, nutritious, blood pressure lowering, diuretic, digestive. Health benefits of pumpkin. 1. Protects the eyes. Its carotenoid content converts into vitamin A, essential for eye health. Eating pumpkin regularly can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, keeping vision clear as we age. 2. Helps prevent and improve anemia. After menstruation, iron levels drop, and pumpkin is an excellent source of this mineral. Its seeds contain even more iron than the flesh, so including both in your diet can help prevent anemia. 3. Supports weight loss. While not a miracle food, its low fat and sodium content, combined with its diuretic effect and high fiber, make it a perfect ally for a flat stomach, improved digestion, and reduced water retention. 4. Helps control blood pressure. Pumpkin is ideal for people with hypertension, as it combines low sodium with high potassium. This helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of cardiovascular issues. 5. Provides nutrients to the body. It's rich in vitamins and minerals without causing sugar spikes, making it suitable even for people with diabetes. It also strengthens the immune system and promotes overall well-being. How to eat pumpkin. To prepare pumpkin, first cut the skin with a sharp knife and decide whether to remove the seeds or eat them. They're nutritious and high in fiber. You can cook it in several ways. Baked. Cut into pieces. Place cut side down with a little water and bake for about an hour until tender. Steamed. Cook the pieces for about 30 minutes for a quick and healthy result. From these preparations, pumpkin can be used in many recipes: purees for desserts or fillings, warm soups with other vegetables, or even combined with peanut butter for a healthy snack. It can also be eaten raw, mashed, or chopped into small pieces to maximize nutrients, though the flavor and texture will be stronger. Thanks to its versatility, pumpkin is perfect for both sweet and savory dishes and adapts to all kinds of diets, bringing taste and health in every serving. Pumpkin contraindications. Although pumpkin is very healthy, some people should consume it with caution. It's not recommended for those allergic to pumpkin, cucumber, or watermelon, as they contain similar allergens. It's also not suitable for people taking a lithium medication, as it may reduce absorption of this mineral. Those with low blood pressure should moderate intake due to its diuretic effect, which can lower blood pressure further. Additionally, patients with severe kidney disease or those taking certain diuretics or heart medications affecting potassium levels should consult their doctor before regularly including pumpkin in their diet. If you want to keep learning about the benefits of other natural remedies, don't miss the playlist we've left here next. Tell us, did you know all the health benefits of pumpkin? See you next time, ecologists.